Hi, so let's get started. Lecture 12, Introduction to cPanel. You already know what is the difference between WHM and cPanel. So the WHM we already learned. So let's go through the cPanel as well. Okay, so here we are in the WHM dashboard. From here you can easily access your cPanel. Here you can see in the list accounts we need to go through the marktking.com, and here we have the cPanel, so I can access by clicking here the cPanel. Okay, so this is the interface of the cPanel. Okay, there are many options, but they are very simple if you look around and go through that each step by step. So here, getting started wizard, it will explain you everything. Like you can choose the language, you can change the language to English, introduction to web hosting, explain you next step. So it will explain you each and everything in a very detailed form. Okay, let's go back. You can get the video tutorial. Mostly web hosting now providing this video tutorial for you. Branding editor, we already talked about it before as well, so you even brand this as well according to your need. You can change the style, change the language. Here we can set up the email. We can see the email accounts over here. So if I click over here, I can see the email account. So I have only created one email account, info@marktking.com. In this course we will go through later, and here is the webmail access. So for your webmail access you can even have a secure login, you can get it that one, but I will explain you that you can easily integrate with your Outlook as well. Okay, here is the forward. If you want to forward your emails to their default mail listing, and then the all MX entries are come here. We will go through later on and in depth. So here are their recommended partners, which is CodeGuard backup, anti web malware scanning, conversion tracking, and a free social management tools comes here. Then we have a backup here, backup wizards. We have file manager, we have the legacy file manager over here, disk space usage, web disk, FTP accounts. We will go through, we will create one FTP later on, and we will use this file manager to upload the Joomla here as well. Okay, so on the other one, the next one is the logs. Here you can check the bandwidth, you can analyze your web over here, you can analyze your FTP, you can see any error in the error log. You can then comes the security tab. You can password protect your directories if you want. You can deny any IP which you think is spamming on you or try to hack you. There is an a shell access for you. After the security, under the security tab, you will find the domains tab. That is important. If you want to add some subdomains, you can click over here. Like for example, I want test.marktking.com, so I can add over here and provide the directory for it and then just create it here. For example, I have a main live website, but before going the things changes to the live website, I want first to do all the things on a test site, so that I'm sure when it's going to the live it's look like good. So because of that, it's very important to have a subdomain. Okay, in the domains section we can see that there is add-on domains, there's spark domains. You can redirect your domains to another domains as well, and that's the basic things. You can even DNS editor, but you don't need to do it as we already set up the DNS settings. Then here comes the database. Yes, of course, my PHP admin is the basic one, which we are going to use later on as well when we are adding Joomla. And then we create the over MySQL database in PHP my admin over here. So this is the area where your database should be added or should be created. Okay, then there are software and services. If you want to use Cloudflare, is a very good service. If your website is down, it holds the cache of your website and show it. There are other scripts, and then here comes the advanced for the Apache handler and image manager, network tools. You can get it, and here you get the apps installation. Here you get the WordPress, Joomla 2.0, OpenCart, PrestaShop for your e-commerce websites. Drupal is here. So many others are available here. And then the category for the blogs, you can add social media network, you can add wikis, add management, calendar, gaming. So there are many scripts available in the Cpanel. So Cpanel is really an amazing piece of software which make really easy the web hosting management. Thank you for watching this.